Hey guys, I am OS Editor. Welcome back to another editing video. Today I am sharing some meme sound effect that you can use in your edits. Everything is in one simple pack. So let's get start the video.
A few moments later.
Bruh.
Oh my god, bro.
Oh, hell.
Huh?
If you want the full pack, check the Telegram link in the description. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more editing.